nicer? Is it Uganda or Kenya? Hey, is it Uganda or Kenya? I've never been to Uganda, but if I get a chance to go there, I'll tell you how it is. But they are our neighbors. They are very good people. You know, a man is the head of the house, and the woman together with the kids, they are his property. Good evening, my kings and queens. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. My first time subscribers to the newest, I don't take your presence here for granted. So I'm coming at you right away from the village, as you can just judge by the background. That cock is making a lot of noise. I don't know. It was playing around with the cat. Anyways, guys, let's continue. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for subscribing, for watching my videos, for sharing them. You know, I noticed that most of you do shares my videos. I do like my videos. Thank you so much for doing that. You know, anyway, to someone who is still asking himself or herself who is Ayuko D, well, Ayuko D is a brand that is here to give you the real African village lifestyle of the blacks, especially the strength and the resilience of these African women. So on today's video, I'm going to answer all of your questions. You know, like I have like 8 of them. Most of you are asking, so today is the day to answer all of them, you know. So okay, before I continue, I have here yellow beans. What I like most about it is especially people with ulcers, this one can never go wrong for you. It is the best one. They are called yellow beans. I hope you're seeing them. Yeah. So question number 1 is why do people in your places make the ballast? Like, what are those small rocks used for here in the village? Well, you see, during the process of making a permanent house, especially in my area, in my country, so anytime they want to build a permanent house, they usually break the bigger rocks into small pieces. It is called ballast making. So during the building process, they will put on the floor now to make the foundation before even they apply the cement. So that is the main purpose why people do break the rocks into small pieces, you know. So at the comment section, let me know, how do you make the foundation of the house? What do you use to make the foundation of the house? As in my case, they use that ballast to make the floor before they can continue with the whole process, you know. Let's go to question number 2. Most of you are asking, like, when do you have rains in your areas? Some are saying it is very, very dry. So in my place, especially in my village, we only have one season for rain. Like, it doesn't rain twice a year. It is only once a year. And that starts from April up to around August. Then from there, the sun will come out. Like, there will be no more rain. Sorry for my lame English there, but there will be no rain. So that is the, like, around there, October, November, people will start now harvesting their plants from the farm. So it is only from April, that's where people start preparing for going to this farm, cultivate. Yeah. And unfortunately, like, in the last 2 years in my area, like, it didn't go well with the farmers. It was so dry. You can imagine, like, someone has really struggled even not to eat, so that he or she can get the I mean, the seed to go and do farming, then all of a sudden the drought come, he or she has pain, you know. It is really, really heartbreaking. It wasn't nice the last 2 years, but we hope this year we are going to have a great harvest. I pray that the Lord in heaven may bless us with rain, a lot of rain, so that we can have something to put on the table. Yeah, that's it, guys. So from January, you'll notice that my area is really, really dry. You may even think you are in the desert. You know, it is very, very hot. People lack water. It is the time where the animals also suffer. But when it is April, everyone do enjoy. I think I've answered those two questions clearly. Let's go to question number 3. So this was, where do you get water? Okay, there is a small company for Sisal, you know. So they build, they dug a dam for the community. If you've been watching my videos, I believe you would have seen the dam where people get the water. So it preserves a lot of water. At least it can sustain them from January to February. After December, January to February, the rain that was there in the other year, it has been preserved in those dams. So we don't lack water, but at times it gets dirty because it is used by both human beings and the animals. So that's why you see it is very, very brown. But we find that some people do use the, how can I say it, there is something they call chlorine, like a white stone. It's not literally stone, but it is in the form of a stone. So when they put on the water, the dirt goes down and the water becomes clear. But what I hate about that is that during the, okay, like during the, when you are washing the clothes, the house, anything, it doesn't make the foam faster, so you find yourself using a lot of soap, you know, and that is very, very, very expensive. So that's how we survive here. About the water, we depend on the rain, and they are preserved on those dam. Yeah, okay, let's go to question number 4. I'm having here my notebook because, you know, I cannot hold the whole questions on my head. Weird. Oh, that's my weakness. I'm not so talented in capturing all this in my head. Yeah. So, I also got another question. Some of you were asking, like, why do people make the bricks? Do they make it for selling, or like what is the main issue as to why these people are making the bricks? Okay, first of them, they prefer these bricks because they feel like if they build their house using the bricks, at least it's not going to, okay, oh my god, I've forgotten the term, the right term which I can use. Okay, like compared to the real mud they put on the walls, like the real mud they used to make the walls. So compared to that, comparing the bricks to that mud, they prefer using the bricks because they believe like it is hard for them to wear out, you know. During the rainy season, it rains on the walls, you know. They feel like the bricks are stronger than the real mud, so that is why they use the bricks. And they also do for a business. So in case someone wants the bricks, of course they do sell them. So they'll make those pieces, go sell them to the neighbors. Yeah, but it is not mostly for selling them out. They use it to make their own houses, the kitchen, and everything. So let's go to question number 5. Oh my god, this one is which country are you in, guys? which country are you in? This one I think I've described very well on my bio. Like, I'm from Kenya, we are from Kenya, the land of peace, the most beautiful country ever in the world. You know, it is my motherland and I'm proud of it. I don't have much to say about that one, so let's go to question number 6. So one of you asked me at one of the videos, he was like, at what age are children or kids allowed to now move out? Here in Kenya, it is only at the age of 18 someone is considered as an adult. At that age, you are free to get married. If it is a girl, if it is a man, you are free to marry. So it depends with how you want your life to be. Yeah, so at the age of 18, that person is considered to be an adult, and he or she is given a freedom to move out. And if the parents are well off, they do educate their kids to go to the college campus, you know, and once you graduate from there, yeah, you can get married, have a job, have fun, you know. You're the one who now drives your life. But if you are below 18, you are not allowed to move out of your home. You're still a baby. You don't have the national ID card, you know. Now, let's go. Oh, we are almost there, guys. So, let's go to question number 7. Oh my God, I forgot another question. So, the third last question, most of you are asking like, uh, why do these women make the ropes, you know? Like, why do they make these ropes? What are they used for? Well, these ropes are used by most of the villagers to tie their animals, you know, to tie the goats, the sheep, you know. So that is the main reason why people in my area do make those ropes, and also they do it for a business purpose. So if they make like 10 to 20 pieces each, or two, they sell at 5 Kenya shillings, you know. So during rainy season, you know, it is high time that these people tie their animals so that they don't go to on other people's farm. This one will bring a case, and you know, it is good to live in peace. So during rainy season, or maybe they don't want these animals to go far. Oh, it is around 6. You hear that sound from the cock? It is telling me it is 6 p.m. right now. Okay, so hey, we have heard it is 6 p.m. So they use that one to tie the animals, the goats, the any kind of cattle. By the way, remind me the name for sheep baby and goat's baby. How do we call them in English? I've forgotten. It is very long time ago I read them, you know. It is not there in my head. So the second last question, um, someone watched one of my videos which like I posted 2 years ago. It was like a road, is it a road trip to Equator Line? So someone asked like, where is nicer? Is it Uganda or Kenya? Hey, is it Uganda or Kenya? Well, I'm a good girl. I don't want to spread negativity on someone else's country. In a UKOD brand, we spread love, we spread positive vibes. So I've never been to Uganda, but if I get chance to go there, I'll tell you how it is. But they are our neighbors. They are very good people, and we love them, you know. Wow, one thing I like about Uganda, based on the videos that I've been watching, like the area is very green. They have a very nice landscape. I'm like, ooh, I just want one day to go there and experience the lifestyle of the Ugandans. So The Ugandans, do you welcome me there? Okay, I'll say like my country Kenya is beautiful. We have the big five, the wildlife animals, like that is what we are really proud of. We have best places where you can go have a vacation is watch these beautiful areas, like we have Ngoni in coastal region. There are animals there. We have Ala Park, you know. It is just amazing. It is just awesome. I know you people love Kenya so much, and thank you so much for the love. Let always teach our people, our kids to love. Let's stop spreading the negativity energy. Let's stop spreading hatred. You know, hatred is very, very bad, guys. Let's love one another. You know, we are all God's creatures, huh? Fearfully and wonderfully made in His image. So, is it hard to respect God's creature? Or guys, even when you go to the comment sections, when you watch my videos, please let's spread love. Let's spread good advice. You know, yeah. The very, very, very last question. That will mark the end of this video today is most of you people are asking like where are the men for these women, like where are they? Some was spreading the negativity energy, but I'm like, okay, anyway, you know, you know, a man is the head of the house, and the woman together with the kids, they are his property. So surely, how do you expect a man to stay at home? Who will bring food for them? Huh? Who will take maybe their kids to school and every sort of things? So this channel is showing you people how women are faring here in the village, the activities they carry out. Like once their husband they are out there maybe looking for something to bring on the table, like since the husband cannot take care of a small kid, it is the mother, so the mom remains at home, ensure that the kids have eaten food, ensure that they are okay, wash their clothes, do the sweeping, make the environment clean. Like that is the culture of the blacks. Women, they believe that women are supposed to stay home, do all these activities, you know. But you know, in today's century, like both women and the men go out to work and bring food at home. But remember, this is based on the village women, so I'm showing you the lifestyles of the black women in the village. Anyway guys, let's end our videos there. Thank you so much for the love you're showing me. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing my videos. Guys, I don't take your presence here for granted. May God always grant you the desires of your heart. May God always bless your hustle and everything, you know. And may God bless us all. So bye bye till we meet in the next. I love you all. Thank you.